Love gardening but hate the back pain? What if I told you that you can weed, plant, and enjoy your garden without bending over for just $40? This rolling garden cart changed my life, and I'm spilling all the secrets today. Let's dive in! Hey garden lovers, welcome back to SmartBloom, your best friend for smarter, easier gardening. I'm your favorite YouTuber, here to help you garden like a pro without the pain. If you want gardening hacks that save time and your back, hit that subscribe button and join our growing family. Meet the Pure Garden Rolling Garden Cart, a lifesaver for gardeners like us. For just $40, this green plastic cart comes with a comfy seat, 1.89 cubic feet storage, an interior tool tray, and 4 6-inch wheels to roll anywhere. It holds up to 220 to 275 pounds and makes weeding and planting a breeze. No more back pain, no more knee strain. Perfect for your flower beds or veggie patches. Here's how this cart makes gardening pain-free in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Sit on the sturdy seat. No bending, no back pain. Step 2. Roll to your plants with 4 6-inch wheels. They glide over grass or rocks. Step 3. Grab your tools from the handy tray and storage. Everything's right there. It's like having a gardening buddy that does the hard work for you. Let me share my story. I was weeding my Florida flower bed, and after 15 minutes my back was killing me. Then I got this cart, sat down, and weeded for an hour without a single ache. Pure bliss. Pro tip, use it on flat ground. The wheels can get stuck on uneven terrain, as some users mentioned. Also, the lid isn't waterproof, so store it indoors during rain. Users in the EU love it for low tasks like planting bulbs, while some in the USA use it for outdoor painting too. Bonus tip, keep a small towel in the tray for quick cleanups. It's a game changer. Here's why I'm obsessed with this cart. It saves your back and knees, rolls smoothly, and has storage for all your tools. Gardening feels like a joy again. Cons wheels struggle on rough ground and the lid isn't waterproof. But honestly, it's a small price to pay for pain-free gardening. Have you ever felt back pain while gardening? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear. This cart is a must for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada who want to weed or plant without pain. Perfect for flower beds, veggie patches, or even low tasks like painting. If you're over 30 and your back isn't what it used to be, this is your new best friend. It's not for super rough terrain though. Ready to garden without pain? Grab the Pure Garden Rolling Cart on Amazon for just $40, link below. What's your go-to gardening tool? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you love this video, hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom. We're a family that makes gardening easy, fun, and pain-free every single week.